Albo said something over and over and over and over again. Well, he said lots of things over and over again, but this one thing in particular all the way through the election campaign.
Households will benefit by $275 on average.
Reducing power prices by $275.
That will reduce power prices by $275 on average for
Prices by $275.
But of course, I want everyone to get their bill, James, put it on the fridge and double check where we are in 3 years' time. Energy's going to go through the roof. When exactly does that 275, is that going to be calculated from the absolute tippy top in about 9 months' time, or was it on election day? Because I think people should judge it on election day.
Paul, I believe him. I truly believe him, because we are facing brownouts and blackouts. That's the only way we're going to see a reduction in power bills, is because the lights won't turn on. So I believe him. So trust me, your power bill will go down, but you won't have power to actually accumulate a bill.
Yeah,
so it will happen.
Yeah, it's like sort of Earth Hour will become Earth Month, where everything's turned off.
It's either that or there'll be continuous compensation, every 6 months to cover the bills.
That's right.
He can't afford not to have those bills rise like they're going to, Paul.
Yeah.